Welcome to Fika Theory. Today we're baking a classic Swedish Pinocchiotårta, a delicate balance of soft sponge, crisp almond meringue, and fresh cream. We begin by separating 3 eggs. Next, whip the butter and sugar until pale and fluffy. Then add the yolks one by one. Add the milk as well and fold your dry ingredients. The steps are so simple, yet they create the most wonderful, rich base. The batter will be thick, but spread it gently into a thin, even layer. This recipe yields up to 8 generous slices, but if you have more guests, just double the ingredients and use a bigger pan. For the meringue, whisk the egg whites until soft peak forms. Then add the sugar gradually until it's thick and glossy. Spread it right over the raw batter and scatter the sliced almonds on top. Now it goes into the oven to turn golden and crisp. While the cake cools, we slice our fresh berries. You can use any favorite berries you have on hand. I used strawberries. If you love taking these easy baking moments with me, please consider subscribing. I share new recipes every week. All crafted makes your Fika time with family and friends just a little bit cozier. Now let's make the filling. For a richer filling, whisk the cream cheese with powdered sugar and vanilla. Then pour the heavy cream straight in. Whip together until it becomes thick, cloud like frosting. To finish, we gently fold our fresh strawberries right into the cream. This little twist makes the filling so delicious and stable, keeping the whole recipe completely effortless. We also add the lemon zest. Lift the cool cake out and slice it right down in the middle. Place the first half on your plate, meringue side up. Then layer it generously with our strawberries cream mixture and place the second half on top. Add the cream mixture on top as well. Then you can decorate it with some berries, strawberries, or whatever fruits you like. As we cut into it, you can see all the layers. The fluffy sponge, the smooth cream with fresh berries, and that crisp almond meringue right in between. It's amazing how something so simple to put together can look this tasty and delicious. You can pour a warm drink, sit down with someone you love, and enjoy your fika. See you next week!